Meaning of inveigh.
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 Inveigh. The word inveigh means to angrily criticize or protest against something. It comes from the Latin word inveigere, meaning to attack with words. Some examples of how it can be used. The politician inveighed against the corruption in the government. The activist group inveighed against the company's environmental record. The columnist's latest article inveighs against inequality in the country. So in summary, inveigh means to forcefully and angrily express criticism or strong disapproval about something. It implies a very strong and impassioned verbal attack.